Today we're going to be posh and try this Montezuma chocolate truffle collection. I first saw these at Trader Joe's last year amongst their Christmas treats, and of course I had to buy them. I really enjoy them, so I made sure to look out for them this year. Now this year they've managed to survive into the new year, but that's probably because during this year's Christmas trip to Trader Joe's I bought about 10 boxes of other holiday goodies. The wait is over. Let's get this box open. So from the left, we have the rich dark chocolate, then the smooth milk chocolate. Those are special. We get 3 each of those. Then we have the dark chocolate with ground vanilla, the white chocolate and raspberry, the milk chocolate and hazelnut praline, the milk and white chocolate truffle with coffee, and the milk chocolate with salted caramel. I wish I could try them all and tell you what I think, but my stomach can't handle that, and you've probably already abandoned this video to go find some chocolate anyway. I believe my favorites were the hazelnut and the salted caramel, so let's try those. Here's the milk chocolate with hazelnut. And here's the milk chocolate with salted caramel. So yes, the salted caramel one is as good as I remember, and I think the best one in the box, but the hazelnut one is also really good as well. Thanks for watching, everyone, and have a happy new year.